I'm both scared and excited because, I mean, we could be growing like an alien in there for all I know. I don't know. What could it be? We'll find out. So first step is I have to get the box, which is difficult. Why? Ah, that's better. As noted in previous videos, 2019 has been a big year of change for me. I ended a relationship, I lost an eye, I moved to a new area of Los Angeles, and I most recently left my job. But the one thing that hasn't changed is the fluid in this PC. And not only has it been sitting under my desk over here since about April, May, in this box, untouched, no idea what's going on there. It might have all leaked for all I know. Before that, it was sitting about 6 months prior to that from when I built the computer. I don't even remember when that was, so it was sometime last year. So I think we're looking at about a year, maybe a year and a half of stagnant UV fluid sitting inside of this water-cooled computer, including a CPU block, a GPU block, and a full reservoir. And I think this is the build that I used all the plexi parts, so should be pretty interesting. So my goal today is to take the computer apart, clean it, drain it of course, then clean it, clean all the parts because they're great parts. They're all from AlphaCool. I think the GPU block is from EK, and I want to be able to reuse them again. So we got some work to do. I have to do some cleaning. Not my favorite thing in the world. But we're gonna see how this goes. I have absolutely no idea what's gonna come out of this. I am equally as afraid as you are. And I hope this serves as a future lesson for all of you. 1, don't leave fluids stagnant in a build for an extended period of time. There's nothing good that's gonna come of this, except for maybe a video. And 2, I forgot what number 2 was. Oh, how to clean all your parts. So I guess the next thing to do is just take it out of the box. That's actually gonna be the hardest part. Oh my goodness, I forgot about this computer. Oh, I even made the cables. I forgot about this. I mean, the good news is that it hasn't leaked anywhere. That was my biggest concern, is whenever you're moving, especially with computers, you just don't, like, not even water-cooled computers, just computers in general. You just never know what's gonna get jostled around. Yeah, I actually had a lot of fun putting this computer together, and I remember it being completely blown away, me being completely blown away about how it looked with the UV. So I'm kind of bummed to take it apart, but I have big plans for it. So, yeah, I forgot all about this. Magnetic UV strip. Genius. Okay, well, that was a bad example, but it is magnetic. There. It's so smart. So smart. Love it. Need more of these. Oh no. This is not something you want to lose. I gotta take it out of this foam. The good thing. I know, one of the good things. Is that, oh my gosh, I do have a drain port. So that's good. So this part's gonna be a little boring. I'm gonna drain it. I have a tube and I have a funnel. Now we have to work with gravity. So I'm going to put the bucket down here. Oh no, I'm starting to leak. Why there, of all places? I have a leak right at the drain port. What a weird place. Oh shoot. I can't open it. Here we go. There we go. Oh, you know what? Duh. Not very smart. There we go. This is the least fun part. Ooh. Oh my god. It smells so bad. Oh no. That smells really chemical-y. As long as I don't drop it, that would be really bad. It's getting heavy and so hot. Oh, okay, we're pretty much done. In fact, I think I can take the rest apart and be okay. All right, anything else we need to take out of here? Oh my God. Why am I an idiot? All right, we got some cleaning to do. Let's see what happens. And we try to clean these out. I mean, I actually expected it to be a little worse. Like, I know everything's a little cloudy, a little less clear. It's got that sparkly stuff all over, but I think like maybe some just clean out, some water, and it should be good to go. Hopefully we can reuse all the parts. I'm also going to soak these parts because they're all a little sticky. Whatever that grain stuff is made of, everything's a little sticky, so we want to make sure get everything bright and shiny again. So let's cut to that. So I have all my fittings in some soapy water. This sparkly stuff from the UV fluid is still coming off. There's a lot of it. That should be good to go with these. Of course, my hair gets in there, and we just gotta clean the CPU block. You can see it still has some green residue in there, so I definitely need to clean that out. That's kind of gross. I don't want it to mix with the next color that I'm using. And then also need to clean this guy out. I just need to dump it out. I need to take it off my 1080 too. So now to tackle the big dog. All right, let's do this. First, let's take it off the vertical thing. Somebody asked me the other day if water cooling is worth it. You gotta really like it. Now I'm gonna set everything to dry for a couple hours and come back and put it all together.